Your Ansible playbook just hung for over 5 minutes at the EC2 instance task. The culprit? Amazon Web Services API Rate Limiting or a network timeout. Let's break down Ansible Amazon Web Services Automation, how it works, and the exact mistake behind that failure. Ansible Amazon Web Services Automation uses playbooks to manage Amazon Web Services infrastructure. The Amazon Web Services collection provides modules that are idempotent, meaning running them multiple times produces the same result. It handles pagination, retries, and eventual consistency, so you don't have to. First, install the Amazon Web Services collection and pin the version. Ensure Boto 3 and Botocore are up to date. Set global retry variables in group vars to handle eventual consistency. Use Ansible Galaxy to install the collection. Pin the version in Requirements, IML. Install Boto 3 and Botocore on the control node. The EC2 instance module is the modern way to manage Elastic Compute Cloud. Use exact count to ensure exactly n instances exist. Always set name and tags to scope the count and wait for the instance to be running. This playbook launches exactly 3 web servers. The exact count parameter ensures idempotency. The instance role attaches an identity and access management profile. Wait and wait timeout ensure the instance is ready. The S3 bucket module is idempotent by default. Use permission, private to avoid public access. For objects, use overwrite, different to upload only when the file changes. Create a bucket with versioning enabled. Upload objects only when the content differs, using MD5 checksums. The IAM Role module creates roles and attaches policies. The Assume Role policy document must be a valid JSON string. Use Create Instance Profile. Yes to create an instance profile. Load the trust policy from a file. Attach managed policies. The module creates both the role and an instance profile. The RDS Instance module manages relational database service databases. In production, never skip the final snapshot. Set a high wait timeout because relational database service creation can take 20 minutes. This creates a PostgreSQL relational database service instance with encryption and backups. The final snapshot identifier uses a timestamp to ensure uniqueness. Virtual private cloud modules allow you to define network infrastructure. Use VPC ID to avoid ambiguity. Tag all resources for idempotent identification. Create a virtual private cloud and then subnets using a loop. Use the virtual private cloud ID from the previous task. The AWS EC2 Inventory plugin builds dynamic inventory from Elastic Compute Cloud instances. Enable caching to avoid API rate limits. Use keyed groups to organize by tags. Configure the plugin with filters, hostname preferences, and caching. Use keyed groups to create groups based on role and region. Idempotency ensures running a playbook multiple times produces the same result. Use unique identifiers like name and tags. For Elastic Compute Cloud, exact count is key. This pattern checks if a resource exists before creating it. Useful for modules that are not fully idempotent. After creating a resource, it may not be immediately visible. Use retries and delay with until conditions to wait for the resource to appear. This task retries until the identity and access management role is visible. Use until with a condition that checks for existence. Never hardcode secrets. Use Amazon Web Services System's Manager Parameter Store to store them as secure string. Retrieve them at runtime with the lookup plugin and always set no log. True. Store the password with no log to prevent logging. Retrieve it with decrypt equals true. The identity and access management role must have Systems Manager, get parameter and key management service, decrypt permissions. This is the same issue we highlighted at the start. Here's exactly why that 45-minute outage happened. The playbook used the deprecated Elastic Compute Cloud module, which does not have exact count. It treated all running instances as extra and terminated them before creating new ones. Root cause: Amazon Web Services API Rate Limiting / Eventual Consistency. The playbook hangs at EC2 instance task because no timeout or retry mechanism is configured, causing indefinite wait when API throttles or consistency delays occur. The fix was to replace the deprecated Elastic Compute Cloud module with EC2 instance and use exact count. This ensures exactly the desired number of instances exist, and no instances are terminated unnecessarily. Without exact count, each Playbook run creates a new instance, leading to cost overruns and drift. Always use exact count with proper name and tags. The old Elastic Compute Cloud module is not idempotent. It terminates all instances and creates new ones. Always use EC2 instance with exact count. Without no-log, true, the secret value appears in Playbook logs and CI output. Always add no-log, true to tasks that handle secrets. Simple storage service bucket names must be globally unique. Use a naming convention like Company App Environment Region to avoid collisions. A trailing comma or invalid quotes in the JSON will cause a malformed policy document error. Validate the JSON before using it. If you delete an relational database service instance with skip final snapshot, yes, you lose all data. Always set it to no and provide a final snapshot identifier. If multiple VPCs have the same name, using VPC name can target the wrong one. Always use VPC ID obtained from EC2 VPC net info. If you create new instances, they won't appear in inventory until the cache expires. Use flush cache or meta, refresh inventory during deployments. Test playbooks with check and diff to preview changes. Use Molecule with the Elastic Compute Cloud driver for integration testing. Always test in a separate Amazon Web Services account. Use check for dry runs, syntax check for syntax validation, and VVV for verbose output to debug module calls. Let's run through some common interview questions. How to ensure idempotency for Elastic Compute Cloud? Use EC2 instance with exact count, name, and tags. Difference between Elastic Compute Cloud and EC2 instance. Elastic Compute Cloud is deprecated, not idempotent. EC2 instance supports exact count and wait. How to handle eventual consistency? Use retries, delay, and until conditions after resource creation. And a few frequently asked questions. What is Amazon? Amazon Web Services Collection? Official collection replacing community, Amazon Web Services with idempotent modules. How to install Amazon Web Services? Ansible Galaxy Collection install Amazon Web Services == 5, 0, 0. How to store secrets? Use Systems Manager parameter store with secure string and no-log. True. Let's recap the key takeaways. Use Amazon Web Services Collection == 5, 0, 0. Use EC2 instance with exact count. Use S3 bucket with permission, private. Use IAM role with file-based policy. Ready to go deeper? Up next, Ansible Docker management, then Ansible in CI/CD pipelines, then Ansible performance tuning, and Ansible linting and testing with Molecule. Find them all at TheCodeForge.io. Thanks for watching. The full article and code examples are covered in detail at TheCodeForge.io.